heavy trucks FPWD cy'abantu bari no barema buri birasi byabo nigo biri flexible cinga kicere cyonsi urataka rituko nigo bagosomya umwaka mugima aborukiya babo nigo banjire n'icyumbe kiriye gikurigera y'ubusera b'Uburundi bw'ikigali gia NTSA buyo nkwigirure asense mu yemesa basic mechanics basic first aid na yanda mange batalire imeyurugo Gusii asebali imeyumucu Kisii asenyumba ya Market Plaza irange na Uhuru Plaza Chinsa gechinde nigochire asemeche ya Nyakoe ensemo ya Kiwogi Junction na boigo asumuchu Kilgoris mbabu ati special offer bono asebali bakolire ekerasi ya form 4 mwakere simi umu manager Rocky Driving School. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Umugusii.
Basomu ya bweritwori ya Jumapili chitariki ya 20 cy'umutinyo 5 na 3 omwaka w'Ibere na 2023 mwanchi umurira ringwege na ritwori ya ndigenderete ko balitwera rukegima na nene no genderete kwegokya aso kubwate miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii na manga genderete gokorekana imeyense ya Kenya kero troche abantu babwatanya bange na bayigo abarai au nigo bayikirana aso musangirikano bw'amasabo iyo bwamo Chinsa ayagendrete asegeti kyanyantrago eworia ibeno imeye bunke ya Nyaribari chache ono mancho muri no muyega gendrete awasumura iwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abeire kawikirana ko kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanyuna nara yena kwarigania senchera ere yobenge Chinsa Isano na Ibere gendrago tonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News eri otogendrego sanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke urutoko bwatira naso kwa ene KHP channel yogi cha wikere nigakuru kwa Joshua Uta na nchere tariane Everlyne Osero sanga nentu ikomoerio. Mwanchi umuriringo kwa riganto ya jaka senchira ya bene wasumura iwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenderete nokora baraibande asomusangirikano bw'amasabo yo bwamo bw'Chinsa ayo agenderete ase egeti kyanyantrago imeye bunke ya Nyaribari chache no muyego beire ko wikiranwa n'abarai abanke gati yabo abachumbe aba women representative na boigo aba MCA korwase chiwodi au anenda se county ya Nyamira ne county ya Kisii na boigo ababwatani batari abakekegima no muyega obeire abanke babere bagukwanera gusegati abaraya babawikirana ro babere bagukwanera amagani yabo ase serikali asinonya nabo babere bakumwakera umurayibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto mbiyamono asobura ibwaye nabo igasemero biro au rete kobeka yoko enekia buna amagendero abeire kago ikiraniwa ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya kokwa na chinga kiecho nigo omochumbe onyaribari chache Zahiri Janda abeire kago kwanera egati emerobere ya beteke gochakiwa korende yo era etara bage koera asamuganiriye umurayibwense kobeka ogosira kwaye ero kwenekia buna emerobere yo yabeire ge koera gati yabo obwagachi bwenyomba yaba rokiwa bali basomero Getari ubwagachi bw'Ekipara nabo igo amate anene ase abamenyi bebunke ya Nyaribari chache ngana yabere ko wokoboko negati abarai abo baganiri babagusirwa eri emirobere yo kwikirana n'abananchi korora amagendero.
Mheshimiwa Rais, kuna msingi wa KMTC ambayo wewe ndio uliweka. Mheshimiwa Rais, unajua ile serikali nyingine kidogo ilikufinya hapa na pale lakini ikakwama na ikazama. Lakini sisi kama wakaaji wa Nyaribari Chache, Mheshimiwa Rais, tunakuomba kwa unyenyekevu uturudishie huyo wa KMTC ili iweze kuendelea, watu wetu waweze kupata manufaa hapa. Mheshimiwa Rais, kuna barabara kilomita 26 ambayo ni alami. Hizi barabara ni za hapa Nyaribari Chache. Mchina alikuwa ameingia, Mchinese akafanya kidogo, akakwama, akatoa machines zake, imekuwa stalled project. Mheshimiwa Rais, tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu, tafadhali hizo barabara zetu tunaomba utupee pesa zimaliziwe, huyo Mchina apatiwe pesa yake, arudi kwa site ili hiyo barabara 26 kilometers iweze kutengenezwa. Mheshimiwa Rais, wakati ulipokuja hapa kuna pesa milioni 300 ambayo tulikuwa ya maji ambayo ilikuwa inakuja ya last mile haijafika katika county government. Mimi Mheshimiwa Rais nilienda kwa ofisi ya PS nikamsukuma na akatupatia juzi pesa ya pipes milioni 20 na smart meters, lakini Mheshimiwa Rais hiyo ni kidogo sana, haitutoshi. Watu wetu wako na shida ya maji. Tunaomba Rais, tafadhali uongee na waziri tuweze kuwekewa maji, kwa sababu mimi nikiwa nina campaign niliwapatia ahadi kwamba serikali yetu tukiunda ya UDA tutahakikisha kila mtu Nyaribari Chache na kaunti ya Kisii apate maji, na hiyo ni mambo ambaye tuko na shida sana Mheshimiwa Rais.
Mwancho muligerio ino musangirekano ogendrete aseboigo abaraya bwo gusegati abaraya babere bakuria ira yogochia kogendera kubwatrana naboigo kumubwatsia omurai wense kwenekia bunariaganiria saba Kenya abeire kagwikiraniwa igomana ntogendrete go kubwatira murikeito Mildred Mumanyi na begete kambia sensemeyo ntogendere go kubwatira kumanya buna narayaya arabe kagokwania ororo goika omusangirikano yu obeire gokoera togotikana nayo nigo abantu baboriwe weso na konyora obosemia igoro ya mabe yogosarwa ko mwana omunyaruka no muroberio owariganirie ne abisi yo woman representative we county ya Kisii Doris Aburi Donya ase eskuru y'abanyaruka ya Nduru eyo toka sebunke ya South Mugrango aborit koria ankyo chitariki emeronke bere neyemo nigo omo gusego kwa na chinga kiecho nigo Moteresa Julie Nyanchama aborire boigo eserikali kolgereria abanyagetari bali anene bakwebwatani na mangana yogosara ku mwana omunyaruka na korigia enchera barakonyeke goseberusanani ase omurobereyo nigo babere bakweneke buno gusarwa ku mwana omunyaruka nigo kwabere gokororokana koreta amakongwa mange gatiabo amaroire ase omunyaruka
nigo ntete koirari bageri gwetera ofisi yo woman rep Doris Donya Toto kobariga ni mwensi pichi nsemo chirichia South Mogirango Nduru Girls esa mangana aritoko tebana anti FGM amangana yogo kana okwarukigwa kwa bana baisike niko tokabwato moyego uyu chitarikiri 21 Jumatatu ye wiki ye gonko bariga ni mwensi pini inchuto semani obuya wogo taruki omwana moisike nande ni inchuto rigikeria mangana arioko arokigwa bana baisike wetani abuninde na maene na chinga kichiabono abana baito barokire ebare 77% gochibosio igo chinga kitua chage to kwanera mangane yo taruki abana baiseke abantu mbaro babeire bakogenderere noko okwaruki nande paka ogosara abana chinyaruka igo totete koirari bageri na inu moche moto tebina na ki nga kitogo korenga ne yo kwaruki abana abana chinyaruka ninde na maene no ene uchumi yaito ya sarekire abanyagitaji abaita bange abateresa nabu bakorigererwa mano anana mono esa mangana yo kwaruki kwa abana baiseke na uba morekiru mono okoba egasi yabo yo gusara abana chinyaruka esemechi yabo igonte to gosabana serikali yetu ya Kenya kwanza na serikali yetu ya county erigeri n'abanyagitari aba Teresa bagusara abana chinyaruka bae guchibe saba kore byasere byao egere banyare korenda abana baito negesa kukiabosio
Ese ya Kenya nigo yerwete kigima ase ogotinya obwa matobia bwo kubwatrana irekoreta magendero na amonense ya Sudan okwana chinga kya mwariganetie omurai wense ya Sudan Salva Kiir ase nyumba yobura ya State House mu Nairobi murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigaenegetie buna inse yobura ibwaye nigo bagendrete nemiroberio yogo kinya chinsemo ao echa chikokonya ase okobwatrana gatia Kenya na Sudan anena sensemo yo bonjoreria erio wekinia rutoboigo nigaberega kwenekia gose kwarigania anse ya Sudan wechase omoyega gose musangirekano bugo kwanira igoro yo gonchoreria kwerire oyokagere gokorekana ochaka chitarikinya goika chitariki Isano nemo chomutienyi ogocha.
We are in the final stages of setting aside land for South Sudan, both in Mombasa and in Lamu. Before the end of this year, we will have made that commitment true. Your Excellency, let me also confirm to you that we are also keen on the Kenya-South Sudan international boundary and the delineation of that boundary at an appropriate moment when our two teams can undertake that exercise. We believe that that should go on. And I want to report to you, Your Excellency, that we have actually tarmacked close to 600 kilometers from Lamu through Garissa now to Isiolo. And it's only remaining, I think, a section of 200 or 300 kilometers, and we can connect to the road going to South Sudan. That would significantly reduce the cargo distance between Juba and Lamu or Mombasa, for that matter, and make business and trade and imports and exports a lot more convenient for our two countries.
Ruto boigo nigo abetaga kumwenekeria omurayo iwense ya Sudan bunense ya Kenya nigo yerwete kegima aso kubabwatia erokoenekia buna omorembo beire gokorokana ase ense ya Sudan anene kubwatikana netse yecho chiabeire gosigenderete kwenekiwa ase ensemiyo.
You have Kenya's full support as you work on what's going on in South Sudan, and I note with a lot of appreciation the achievement your government has had on the implementation of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. I urge all the parties to the peace agreement to expedite implementation of the pending tasks of the agreement, and Kenya, as your brothers and sisters and as guarantor to the peace agreement, assures you, Your Excellency, and the people of South Sudan of our unwavering support to the government and people of South Sudan as they work to ensure the full implementation of the peace agreement.
Omorugi bw'omukonyi bw'omurai bwense Pastor Dorcas Gashawa nigagenderetio omurobere obwogotoria abasae anene abamura korwase obosaria bw'echingencho ao anene obotumeki bw'ebinyuwa byogotindia okwana sensemo ya Kikuyu imeye kaunti ya Kiambu chingaki abetega koumerana negati abasae abamura korwase ensemo iyo eriokoba obosemia igoro wetanga korwase ebinyuwa byogotindia nigo Dorcas Gashawa abeire monoga komochia abaibori amate na boigo ense ase oko batiga gusoko barigereria abamurabo bagenderete gusira nabono ni garuro kuboria ogusira kwa bene ko enekiwa eryo kubatoria abasabo askirene kiribuna serikali kurawa na Dr. William Samoei Ruto mono mokonyo yerigathe Gashawa nigo begete mirobire mekiranu yokororabuna abasabo babere bagokonyeka nigo mono aruro kuboria gochiase abasabo kwenekia buna ngotigana bare nobotumeki wa Mario Yogotindia na Swana ni ase chisukuru anene polytechnic erikwenyorera obosemia wechingencho ao.
And I was being told here sadly that in Kiambu we are burying two young men every week. This is not acceptable. It must stop. The problem is the parents. The problem is the mother. The problem is the father. And the problem is the family. The problem is the society. The problem is the community. The problem is the nation. And therefore, I want to stand here as a mother of a nation and say, I'm very, very sorry. We didn't do the right thing, but we are going to do the right thing. That's why I'm standing here as a boy child champion, because we didn't do what we needed to do at the right time. But it's never too late to do the right thing. We are going to work together with the families that are here. Tukifika hapo, ninajua nitaongea na Rigiji. Tuone vile mambo itakuwa na president. There is nothing better than to have a president and a deputy president who love the youth. And I know they love you very much. And they want to change this. Lakini lazima hata sisi tujisaidie, si ndio? Tukiambiwa tuende hapo TVET, tuanze mkuje hapo. Sasa TVET zinakaa, hakuna mtu wa kusomeshwa, hakuna kazi inaendelea hapo. Tutaanza hata the president amesema digital hubs zianzishwe hapo. Si tuingie hapo na tuanze online jobs.
Ababwatani bensemo yobotari mense ya Kenya nabayigo ense ya Uganda nigo babwataranire nago chamo asenchira yemo yogokinia obotari nabayigo obonchoreria korengana na Anthony Chenge yoro muteneri bwa mangana yobonchoreria anobonia sesemo ya Uganda nigo atogire ense ya Kenya ase ribagarigi yali ogokinia obonchoreria naye nigagocha ekero muroberi obwego sori ya golf obeta gochakiwa ase county ya Mombasa abune nchere mo yogo kino bonchoreria wetera sensemo yobosombi.
Kenya is a very important source market for Uganda, and as you know, Kenya is the #1 source market for Uganda. Last year, close to 400,000 Kenyans visited Uganda, either as tourists, business travelers, cultural ties, family ties, and many others. So today we are here in Mombasa to promote Uganda as a destination, and at the same time we want to promote Entebbe, Mombasa, Entebbe route. That's Uganda Airlines. So we are hosting a tournament here whereby we have golfers from both Uganda and Kenya. A total of 200 golfers are currently participating in the golf tournament. And at the end of this, the main aim of this is to ensure we have closer partnership and collaboration between the travel trade partners here in Mombasa, together with the travel trade partners in destination Uganda, and of course the airline, Uganda Airlines.
Mwanchi umulgeri yoroboti yoruna lotoreta omerio bwa maye Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge korende nyora chikoraga Chinsa 10 nande nicho koretera ya manayanda manke asenchera ere yobwenge yanda kubati miroberions ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii asensemo ya Facebook nigora tunyorowetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter na bwo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amange Joshua uta nero ine kiachipicha nerio gichawe kera senchre yabene na ncheri tariane Everlyne Osero twaruhurire riboro buya na boigo omubasoro moterero.